can fight a day. If I want make we behave like children a day, I know I can come in every form. If you want us to be matured and speak, we speak. Very soon, many of you will see the way I'll be addressing the head of a state. I don't make noise. You will see that person that used to watch and be laughing. You will see him addressing the head of state of a particular country. So we are chameleon. We can come in different forms. Now we want to behave like people. Listen to the real autopilot fundraising. All this one you are hearing before now about audio. Somebody will call audio money. I am Christopher from America. I want to donate $5,000 for our ESN, $1,000 for the autopilot media, and then for the dragon, I will give you $20,000. Audio. You are going to see the real autopilot fundraising.
Okay, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? Please, the video you're about to hear now is Methuselah mocking and yapping himself, thinking that he's talking down on Biafrans, especially Biafran Prime Minister. This video, he made it. I think this is a video of last year, I believe so, because he was running his mouth here. It's maybe he don't know what is yet to come. Then we are going to go through it. Just be patient. And some of you that are always say, "Oh, why are you bringing that face here?" That's a reason. You don't just ignore everything. Now, let's go through this video, okay? Because I believe that because what I'm saying here, less if the video is this year, that means his stupidity is beyond repair, because I don't think that any human being will make such video at this present age. But let's go through it.
€10, $20. I'm beginning to ask myself, how can somebody come for a fundraising in the screen, say he gives $20? Is it you used to buy pure water for those that are in the bush will drink, or what? So is it the reason why many of you came to put problem in this struggle?
Now, before he started, crying about the problem they put for the the interruption of the flow of foreign currency that are going to the purse. Let's say this, because this person that is mocking people that are donating €10, €20, €50, and all that have never for once donate a dime. Instead, he's taking salary from the one people have donated. Fundraising you are talking about is not something that is strange to PM. He was the one organizing fundraising for IPOB when Mazakan was here. Are you trying to tell us you know fundraising more than PM? Audio money, because the money is not going to your purse. Now, when somebody that is paying them salary told them, "Look, boys, we are no more getting money to pay you people, and we can see that the people that are paying us money are not paying it to different government in exile, and you can go there and see it for yourself, because all the coordinators and people, family meeting all over the world are no more functioning the way it's supposed to be functioning, because they are now channeling their attention to different government in exile." And that's why this guy is crying here now. Hear what he wants to say, because this line that he will say now is where he confessed the reason why his anger and bitterness. Listen.
To destabilize the finance of this struggle, but you can't donate anything.
That you come to destabilize the finance of the struggle, and you can't do anything.
Let's go. Many of you will hear it. Let's go. I'm doing hash. So that the only lie I lie here now, some of you that are smart can never trust me again. Many of you that are here, why are you following me? Because one night I show you. I know maybe somebody give 5,000, I say it's 5 euro. Guy with a church. I just want somebody man the original audio of it. You say I don't know you as like this.
Then you may ask this guy, where were you when Masokan was asking people in America to donate $1? Just understand this. Martin Amadokan, who this guy claimed that he's flowing, went to US asking for Biafrans in US that you guys can fund this. You guys can liberate us. You guys can do something that will enhance our freedom. Imagine if no matter how much you have in US, all we need from you is $1. $1 times the number of Biafrans in the US will give a lot of money, to bring Biafran freedom very, very fast. That is what he needed. Let me Bo finance. And in they brought out the calculator. Press $1 times maybe 1 million Biafrans in US. Okay, that means this man will end up making $1 million. That is how that idea they crushed it. Igbo people with okay brain. Now, listen to him because it is very, very important you understand what is what. This video may be long, and please bear with me. It may be long. It may be a long video. I just want to go through it with my own analysis, and you may have something to say. You can hit on comment section, run down there, tell me what you think about this kind of thing, this kind of person, and what he said. Now, let's go through it.
Trust me again. I will remain that here. Why are you following me? Because one night I play, I show you. I know now they are calm. Somebody give 5,000, I see it's 5 euro. Guy with a church. I just want somebody man the original audio of it. You send my message, and I don't know you as like this. Let's listen to your fundraising. And I want ordinary mega. Mega. Yes, a mega fundraising. Oh my Lord.
And that mega has become problem to him.
Finding the media. No, but I'm coming. Also, I'm coming to you. I'm coming back to you.
He ended up did not go anywhere. He did not come to anything. Just listen.
You are going to hear what he said, but let's go to your fundraising first. Okay. Tomorrow, which is the first. Let me see.
This is how they contradict themselves.
To contribute to a certain department and all that. Kill you, we take you, and then that is the only thing. Wait, this side is where he's telling them that nothing like meeting. The autopilot, their job is to contribute money, no meeting. Because somebody is telling them, I want you to come to in a program.
All this thing that he's saying here is just to make sure that people feel, oh, they are not having meeting, but meeting they were expecting different people to start having meeting, physical meeting, so that we go there and start causing nuisance. But Biafrans are having meeting, online, and that is where they got it wrong. Listen.
30 euros. 30 euros. Wait, let me go back.
No, I go back.
30 euros. 30 euros. Look at it here before they say Manchester is lying. Do you know how much AK-47 is in black market? The least you can get it is in Somalia. The least $700. Black market, but in Nigeria it's all about almost $1,300. Yeah.
So this is the part that made me to believe that this video was done last year. He was telling people, do you know how much AK-47? That the least you can get is $700 in Somalia. He's talking as if he knows where to get it and how to go about it. People, he don't know what is yet to come. So, because I don't think that if he know what he know today, if he have seen what he's seeing today, that what Biafran Division Army are carrying and what they're using, the machine and the chains they involve, the outfit and everything, this guy will not be here talking. Because the reason why he's talking about 10 euro 30 is to discourage others that this money is going straight to the purse of people that are piloting the fundraising. That's what he's trying to, say here. Little did he know that Biafrans, PM and Biafrans are following their target, and Today, I don't think he will say such thing anymore. He started by telling, do you know how Ego and Azu AK-47? That, no, at least you can get the $700. Biafrans are now using RGP. I hope I pronounce it very well because there's a lot of names. The kind of machine that they are using now, AK-47, it looks like Kumkum in the hands of Biafran Liberation Army. Anyway, we are not here to brag about it. But is it worth bragging? Of course it's worth bragging. Who wouldn't be happy to see his government doing fine? Now listen, I know if you
out. Somebody giving 30 euro. These are the reason why they are creating havoc in IPO. I told many of you the reason why they are doing this thing to destroy the struggle, to destroy your mind from contributing financially, because finance is the backbone of every organization. After they destroy it,
the same thing that is talking here is what he's doing. Trying to discourage other people from contributing. But you don't know that for you to teach people how to be, how to live a decent life, you must also be coordinated. People will look at how you are living your life, of course, before they can listen to you. There's a movie of Mr. Evil where he was selling all these motivational books. He was telling one of his customers in the market, go and go billionaire. The man looked at him and said, okay, if I read this book now, I will become millionaire. You don't see me. You don't see me. So that meaning that he have read the book and now he's a millionaire. The man said, okay, you're a millionaire like this. I said, wow, I don't like this type of millionaire. So this guy, you are talking about giving people advice and trying to let them know the reason why they destabilize the finance of the struggle is because finance is the backbone. The same thing you are doing here. The finance is backbone. That's because you yourself have done your own for years. You achieve nothing. Even when people don't want to talk about your finance and say, okay, even though you are eating, can you go out and work? You don't want because you are not used to working. Your own is to eat and clean your mouth. Like I said, this video will be too long, but bear with me, please. Take it back a bit.
The least you can get it is in Somalia. The least $700. Black market, but in Nigeria it's all about almost $1,300 thereabout. Somebody giving 30 euro. These are the reason why they are creating havoc in IPO. I told many of you the reason why they are doing this thing to destroy the struggle, to destroy your mind from contributing financially, because finance is the backbone of every organization. After they destroy it, Hanaga had to change you 30 euro. Look at them here, look at their faces. Before they say mass is a concocted story. Look at it.
Now he's now showing you the pictures of Biafran government in exile fundraising. Then because I believe, like I said, this is last year, I believe, if not even last 2 years, I don't know. But I can't tell you, but I'm very, very sure that because remember, Biafrans are now using ESN. That's another evidence. Biafrans are not using ESN fundraising anymore. It's now Biafran Liberation Army fundraising. Okay? So it's now Biafran Liberation fundraising. No more ESN because ESN is, that's why I told you that he was making this thing, mocking and laughing at himself, believing that he's mocking Biafrans. But little did he know that today will come. Now listen.
Is it this noise many of you are doing? Is it what your people are going to? Brother, I monitor this thing to the end. Sister Tinya, 30 euro. Brother Clement, 40 euro. This is mega fun because they forgot. Those of them that used to give audio, because the audio money have been putting them in trouble. Not all of them know about audio money. So when they give this kind of money, people will be asking, I think say somebody come here now and give us $5,000. You have fun now, it didn't reflect. But some of them, there are some that are joining them, they don't know what that is.
So to them is audio money. He said that some are joining them, they don't know what they're doing. You hear him now where he talked about people that he sent to make a promise in the fundraising and they never contribute anything, and then they don't even ask them where you're coming from and whatever. Now listen. That's why I'm taking it back so that you can hear that.
I know it's not easy. I know it's not easy where we are living. It's not easy. There are people that are not working. I understand it. But you see this noise many of you are doing? You see what your people are going to? Brother, I monitor this thing to the end. She's 30 euro. Brother Clement, 40 euro. This is me no mega fund because they forgot. Those of them that used to give audio, because the audio money have been putting them in trouble. Not all of them know about audio money. So when they give this kind of money, people will be asking, I think somebody come here now and give us 5,000.
Nobody is asking this thing. He's talking out of experience from his own camp.
Some of them,
even if it is €1 that people are contributing, they are contributing that for the right purpose. What I can understand from what people are saying, doing now, is that they don't understand that it's true they're crying, they need money to pay. Some of them that rely on IPB to pay their rent, to cater for themselves and other things, that money is not coming anymore, and it's a problem. I understand. I feel for you guys. I feel for you. I'm a very good person, to be honest. I don't feel bad to I don't feel bad when something bad happened to my enemy, and that will not make me a bad person, right? But you see, your own case is that you don't have work. All your work is on social media to insult people, and you don't have any way to raise money to pay your bill and all that. So you hope on this thing. All of a sudden, PM from nowhere, a nobody. What do they even call him? They said he's a nobody. Yes, a nobody. Nobody know him. He don't have village. He don't have classmates. He don't have anybody. Nobody know him. And he's a Ekpenema. Don't forget that one. And his wife brother in Finland. Don't forget that one room agitator. He don't have anybody. You will crush him within 1 week. You send him back to where he belong. He is the one destabilized that your way of making money. Now, listen.
There are some that are joining them. They don't know what they're doing. Morons. Let me allow him to continue.
There are some that they don't know what they're doing.
Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself and talk.
You see, this. Let me just what he's talking about. Okay, let me reduce the volume. So some of you will not understand.
Let us listen to what Utogo. Do you know what is Utogo? For those of you that are watching that are not Igbo speaking, if you want to, let me use somebody so that you can understand.
He's trying to tell you that the guy is answering Utogo means that the guy should donate Egoni nowhere. Now, these are the time. Okay, these are when Biafrans are trying to organize themselves to donate money, and he caught the part that people did not donate much and used this to make this video. Do you understand? He caught those parts, but the problem is that you don't understand that there's difference between I have $5,000 and I use it well, and I have $10,000, but I can't even give account of how I spend it. You guys are on a salary base. You are making money. Do you know that only the money that are being paid to you, that are going to Ikenga Posh, Chinasaworu, Chike Dozem, and even this guy here, all of them, is enough to push different cause to another level. But they failed to utilize that, and he's here talking nonsense. I want to allow him to talk so you can hear him.
I'm not in a conducive place to donate, but I am here to listen. Let's continue.
Thank you, Martin.
Thank you.
Okay, we move down to Beji and Bebo has done a donation.
Wait, let me block one spam. Okay, I'm on one spam. How? All mental lobe, brother. Frontal lobe.
So these are the time when Masamakano's wife brought that issue of frontal lobe, whatever they call that. And today, who is non-frontal lobe? Anyway, that is your business. Like I said, I want to play the part where this man was bragging that time that Ibetusila we are seeing today, we very soon that he will be talking to nations. He will be meeting world leaders. He will be Alright, Chile, everybody better. Now, I don't want to say much. I don't want to say much. Let me allow him to say what he wants to say.
For those of you that don't, your frontal lobe, no judgment man now one. Oh yeah, frontal lobe. So yeah, I feel like I'm in 2021. I'm just starting. Now let's continue. In the fundraising. Yeah, these are the reasons why people come and want to put problem in the moving trend. Because of this nonsense. 5 euro, 10 euro, paying house rent.
Just listen. He's trying to.
And then sending money to some
He's
of these
trying to
persons.
tell you that the money cannot do anything.
Now let's continue. Let me face my camera where they are before they say I'm lying.
I have announced Chiwendu Biafra. Chiwendu Biafra.
Okay, let us listen to Chiwendu Biafra. She added her name Biafra. Let us at least for adding her name Biafra. Okay, when you give it to her 1,000 euro.
Please grab the mic, unmute yourself. Chiwendu Biafra, unmute yourself, please. People need to understand why we are here. Chiwendu Biafra, welcome to the Mega Fundraising.
Mega.
Yeah, good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Yeah, I'm donating $20.
Okay, Nolia.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's not funny. I'm like, they laugh. You're in public this year. They hear. You want to Biafra? Well, what's about them? So I continue. What's about them?
Chioma Ugochi
And the family.
and the children are down.
Chioma Ugochi and the children. The whole family. Let us listen. The whole family.
And Chidera have already paid him $40. $40.
Okay, $40.
Okay, thank you.
The whole family, $40. So these are the reasons why people want to destroy the moving trend. Okay?
Do you know what is a moving train? Is them, people contributing money for them to pay their rent and all that. You see how he mocked the lady that Chiwendu Biafra. He said that for her to attach Biafra to her name simply means that she's going to give a lot. What about Biafran child? Her name is Biafran child, isn't it? Everybody in your midst have never contributed a dime. I'm not saying that you should contribute as a media warrior that you claim that you are. I'm not saying that it's a must that you contribute something to at least to show your own support and all that, as maybe you are they have appointed you to be one of the leader. Okay. But where I have problem with you, that where I feel that you don't have any morality to talk, is you coming out to yap this nonsense they are yapping and knowing fully well that you on a payroll. They are paying you every month. That's an embarrassment. You don't have any moral justification to ask or to query anybody. Do you understand? And if Biafran contribute $1, they are using it very, very more than what you guys that you have contributing thousands. So if you compare what you have achieved with all the money that have gone to your purse as a IPOB, to compare it with what the African government in Israel are doing now, it is just like day and night. You can't compare. But do you care? The answer is no, as long as the money is clicking in your account. Now listen.
More updates.
3 people there. Because if I go, they will know. 3 people I sent donate online.
Do payments online. All right, you can reach out to any of the media personnel who will connect you to the available person that will put you in place. Reach out to any of the media personnel or any of the workers. Thank you. Welcome. You're not making donation for today?
Remember, you're not making any donation for today?
He get difficult. When I sort it out, I will make donation.
If you sort it out, after the 68 days, guess what to say out? And I send like 3 people there. 3 people are there now watching. I want to get donate 300. They don't even care. Ask who are you? 3 people there, because if I go, they will know. 3 people I sent donated 300. They can't even ask who are you calling from? Who?
You see, his own agitation. He confessed it here that he sent 3 people to come and give audio donation. Now, after you send that 3 people, what have you achieved with that? Did the Biafran rely on that? Did anybody say, okay, we wanted to buy something, but people that promised us money did not give us? No. You see the difference? It is not by force. Biafran who are ready to support will support. And I don't know, somebody that is you are down, you can't even stand up. You are laughing at somebody who is walking for not running. You are down, no, you can't stand up, you can't even sit down. And you are laughing at somebody who is standing up, who is able to walk. Because you are laughing at that person because you think the person cannot run. How market today? They are not only running, they are jumping. So what are you talking about? Anyway, I just want to allow him to expose himself. I'm still waiting for a place. There's a place where he sent something that I would like you to listen.
Listen, if I want to make we go on ground fight a day, if I want to make we behave like children a day, I know I can come in every form. If you want us to be matured and speak, we speak. Very soon, many of you will see the way I'll be addressing the head of a state. I don't make noise. You will see that person that used to watch and be laughing. You will see him addressing the head of state of a particular country. So we are chameleon. We can come in different forms. Now we want to behave like people.
We are chameleon. We can come in different forms. I will take it back a bit so that we hear these people. Now listen. I want to repeat what he just said now. That very soon you hear him addressing. Now listen.
If I want to make we go on ground fight a day, if I want to make we behave like children a day, I know I can come in every form. If you want us to be matured and speak, we speak. Very soon, many of you will see the way I'll be addressing the head of a state. I don't make noise. You will see that person that used to watch and be laughing. You will see him addressing the head of state of a particular country. So we are chameleon. We can come in different forms. Now we want to behave like people.
Okay. Second, our coordinator asked me to tell you that here in Stockholm, Sweden, we need your help concerning the media. And also there are some challenges we are facing here. So he will want you to be present in our next meeting.
That is exactly what I have said. That I will advise that that person go and watch this broadcast. Yeah. We do not have any coordinator, anything. We are not coordinating anything. And from tomorrow, which is the first day of January 2023, bang, we are not coordinating.
Do you hear that? So here, PM actually, made it clear. So this video was done last year, okay? Last year, probably December, because I hope last year or last 2 years, I don't know if it's 2022 or 2023. So I cannot tell you here, but it is not this year. That one we can establish it. Now listen.
Anything, and we don't have time to have meeting with anybody.
Nothing like a meeting. Why they look me the front face?
Did you hear what PM said and how this guy twisted? Did you hear? Wait. Okay, my the mad again.
Now
listen.
So he will want you to be present present in our next meeting.
That is exactly what I have said. That I will advise that that person go and watch his broadcast. Yeah. We do not have any coordinator, anything. We are not coordinating anything from tomorrow, which is the first day of January 2023. Bam. We are not coordinating anything, and we don't have time to have nothing like meeting.
Okay, so this video was done 2022. Then Biafran Liberation Army have not inaugurated. They have not. Biafrans have not started. Biafran have not registered anything like Biafran government in exile, and Finland convention have not been done. Even he bragged here also that if you want to fight, we fight. If you want to go on ground, we use there. Okay, na Nigeria is done as no hope of them. Name video which one go soon no ya. No one know where corner. And I am here. There's no sit at home. Listen.
Why they look me the front face? Yeah, me no close. I'm pure as an idiot you are. I'm telling you what he said in one. I mean make you say they foolish. No, na me make you no get front.
Gine when they make comedy. Because when you go expose yourself the more before I end the video.
You have to come in the next 58 days. Listen, you are here, listen. He said there's nothing like meeting. No gathering. But we want to say we are going to Jesus. So we want to close our own meeting. Say we are not going to do meeting. Really? So I think we are so weak. We allow people to destroy everyone. Nothing like meeting anymore for IPOB.
They say stop your meeting because you guys are criminal. You are using that to enrich yourself only. How hard is it? I mean, can't you hear yourself? Why is it so hard for you people to understand it? It's not. There's nothing there. Nobody wants you to continue, your criminality. Nobody. Anyway, I don't want to make the video, to be too long. It's actually long already, but let's manage it that way, please. I want you to tell me what you think about this nonsense that this guy he's very, very laughable. He was saying all those things, thinking that he's not. He don't know what will come. He don't know. I dare anybody like him or from his camp to make similar video today. Oh, you're donating to hero. Oh, you're donating to hero. You're donating. You want to destabilize a moving train. I don't blame. He's a moving train because your account is actually moving. And I thank God for Biafran Prime Minister. I thank God. If not for him, and all of you Biafrans, if that I understand what freedom is all about, that stand on the truth. But we bless God. So my people, tell me what you think about what this guy said, and I would like to read from you. God bless you all, and see you again. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, tell us what you think about what he said. Is very, very important, and give the video a thumbs up. Like, the more when you click on the like button, the video will get to many other people to watch, and people will know what these people have done in the past. Like I said, we can establish to you that this video was done 2022. Okay, because that is why it's always good to mention date on the video, because PM said that tomorrow is the first day of January 1st of 2023, meaning that by the time of maybe this could be 31st night video that PM was fundraising of Biafran liberation under the government of Biafran liberation, under the Biafran government in exile, because then we are in autopilot. Today we are in government. And can we check where these people have from DOS, IPOB media team to where? To what now? Where are they now? Instead of them moving Biafrans are moving forward and moving backward. From Biafran IPOB worldwide to IPOB oath takers. Okay? From IPOB oath takers now to government agent. From government agent now to frontal row. Moving from pillar to pole. Anyway, see you again. Bye bye for now. Thank you guys. God bless you. Don't forget to like and share.